Hello, this is Pratham, and this is my ECE 2020 Lab 2. So this is the state machine that we have. Just some information that we'll need. The 0 is from the MyDAC is connected to the input 0 of the decoder. The digital pin 1 of the MyDAC is connected to clock, and digital pin 2 is connected to reset. Digital pin 4 is connected to Q0, and digital pin 5 is connected to Q1. So that's what it's going to be displaying up here. Those are the, inputs. These are the outputs. So with that, let's get started. I will quickly reset everything and run. So because this is the reset is inverted, we have to keep this high at all times. That's just reset pin. And let's start by looking at our transition diagram or state diagram. So we're in state A. It should be 0, 0, and it does start with 0, 0. Now, if input is input is high, and we clock. If input is high and we clock it, it should return to state A. So input is 0, let's make it high. Now let's clock it, and it returns to state A. It stays in state A. So this path is good. Now if input is 0 and we clock it, it should go to state B. So if input is 0, we clock it, it goes to state B because it's 0, 1, and state B is 0, 1. Now in state B, no matter what the input is, it goes to state C. We'll check both because there's a path you can go back. So let's first test if input is low and we're in state B. Did we get to state C? We do. We're in state C now. Now in state C, if the input is high, we go back to state B. So input high, clock it, we're back to state B. Now let's test if the input is high from state B. Do we go to state C? If input is high from state B, we go back to state C. And the last path we have to test, if the state C input is low, do we go back to state A? So input, we're gonna make low, we're gonna test, and we go back to state A. It's 0, 0, which is state A, 0, 0. So this was my video for lab 2. You can see my lab here, it is functional. Once again, this is Pratham Ngale, and my lab works.